guys, here's a newer Holmes box fan. It's very lightweight, probably only weighs a pound or less. The blades are really lightweight, so then that means it'll move more air and it goes like really fast. But there's the Holmes brand and the dots right there, and and it has these things like not the ventilation slats, I mean the lines that go from each blade. I think that's to brace the blades because this fan's not really dirty. I'm gonna see how dirty it is. It's not very dirty. I'll be right back. No, it's not very dirty at all. And the motor's a pretty decent motor, but the control on the back is right here. But anyway, I'll show you that for later. And like older ones, they had a hardwired plug, but this one, if I can get it off, well, that's actually a good thing if it's hard to come off, because that's less you're gonna lose the fan or the cord or whatever. But it's fine. I don't really mind it that much. But anyway, it's that kind of a plug. And there's like the back grill part, the control. See if I can take it off now. Anyway, it's a 3-speed fan. 0 being off, 3 being high, 2 being medium, and 1 being low. And, well, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and do a review of the speeds. If I could get it in there. Okay. Starting on high. Can't really brace itself because it blows so much air, which is a good thing. It's high. Medium. And low. And off. So far, this fan's actually a pretty good air mover. You know what I like about it? It's fairly lightweight. It's probably like 2 pounds. But anyway, yeah, it's my Holmes box fan.